Alright guys, are you freaking kidding me? What an amazing machine. The thing is insane. 256 out of the box. 256 out of the freaking box. So holy crap. It's amazing how that ball gets down lane. It snaps back from anywhere. So I'm going to throw a couple of very different shots. I'm going to try swinging the lane. Let's throw it board like 20 and flare it all the way out to 5 and see what it does. And then we'll try an inside line, see what it does. It's just a typical house shot. It's a little bit of a medium to heavy oil. And this, I mean, this place is just ridiculous right now.